Yes, finally. I've been waiting to see this movie for weeks. Yeah, I'm so excited. It's almost starting. But is it a scary movie, you guys? Because I don't like scary movies. In fact, if it's a scary movie, I'm going to scream through the entire thing. Shh, it's about to start. Yeah, and I've been waiting to see this for a really long time, so you better not scream through the whole movie. But I don't like scary movies, and if I had known it was a scary movie, I would have never agreed to watch this. Be quiet. I don't know about this, guys. I didn't want to do it to her, but she talks through the movies all of the time. All the time. Pass the popcorn.